tardes.
We just had a nap after our morning walk, and we are going out again.
Yes.
We are heading to, the plan is to head out to where, sweetie?
San Martin.
Plaza. The Plaza San Martin or San Martin. And we'll take you with us. Bye for now. Nice.
I can see from here. The heck?
Hello, good morning. Where are you?
Bogota, Colombia. Miss Colombia.
And this is breakfast. Do you know what you're having?
Pollo.
Arroz caldo.
Caldo.
See? And then the arepas.
Arepas, this one.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what that is.
That's their pancake, I think. Alright.
Dito, pambata ito mga ito.
Heading now to...
Peru.
Alright, sweetie. Home sweet home in the next couple days. Oh my lordings. Welcome to Lima. So here's the fridge. Stocked. Yeah, this is a nice idea. I like it. Yeah. Washroom is nice. Smells really clean. Hello, baby. So we're just walking down Larcomar strip mall, and we are gonna get something to eat. I see a food court. Do you want Chinese food or street pasta? Oh, interesting. We ended up getting a pasta. This is carbonara. So I'm gonna try it. Oh, look at that.
How was it, baby? Pwede na?
Not too bad for a fast food.
Alright. Awesome.
What did you get?
Poke. What? Pokeball?
Yeah.
No, this is not Pokeball.
Yeah. Teriyaki.
Teriyaki.
Oh, look at your background. So nice. Looks nice. Hello. Good morning.
Buenos dias. Buenos dias.
We are walking. As you can see, we are trying to find a place to have breakfast, get coffee, and then we don't have anything set for today. So, but we are just gonna walk, stop by at this park, Kennedy Park, which is about 30 minutes from our hotel, and then go from there. Bye for now.
certified.
So what did we get? We got the lechon sandwich
Yep.
and chicharron.
Correct. Let's see what's this. Certified by Milagros. With the heart.
Aww.
There you go. This is the... What is this? Ooh. Lechon.
Lechon, yeah.
Yep. They give you some.
Sauces.
Alright. So this
Okay.
one is certified by Edgar.
Wow.
And this is the chicharrones. Chicharrones. No, that's not chicharrones.
It's
What is this?
what? How come it's chicken?
Did you get the wrong one?
She said Tessie. Maybe I got the wrong one. Oh shit. Oh. Wanna get a drink there? Maybe you should. Just a drink. Oh my, ang ganda. Oh, kita mo yung ano. Ito yata yung pinicture ko kanina eh. I think so. Native government or something? Okay, baby. What did you say this was?
Corn.
Corn?
Corn.
Yeah, okay, try it. What is that?
Wala na.
It's not nuts though, no?
It's corn.
Oh, yeah. But it's not popped.
It's half there.